Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be doing a tutorial of how to download your Cinema HD on your Samsung Smart TV. While you can't directly download Cinema HD on your Samsung Smart TV, then here's a guide or a way on how to do it. So you must enable first on your installation permissions. You want to go to your Samsung Smart TV settings, go to security and restriction. You want to turn on the developer mode and allow unknown sources. With this, you can install the downloader app. Like alternatively, connect a Firestick, Chromecast with Google TV or Android TV box to your Samsung. You wanna download the Cinema HD with your downloader and enter a trusted Cinema HD application URL. Then download and install the application file. Next up is you want to access the app. Of course, you want to find the Cinema HD in your app list on the connected streaming device. Launch it to start streaming, and then the important side note is that Cinema HD is a third-party app which is not officially supported by Samsung. So this tutorial right here is can vary by region, with which you can use cautiously since update, stability, and legality, as I said, vary by region.